Hi guys, this is Umu and welcome back to Kadi Recipes. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken peanut butter soup that you can serve with rice or fufu or anything you like. It's so simple to make and so delicious. So please don't forget to like my videos now to support my channel, and let's get started. So for this recipe you will need 1 cup of peanut butter. A good quality of peanut butter is good in this recipe. And I have here 1 kilogram of chicken. I use chicken thighs. I have 1 full tablespoon of let's say tomato paste. I will add 1 onion, 3 garlic cloves. I have some green onions and a mixture of basil leaf and parsley. I will also add some hot pepper to my taste. It's totally optional. And I have here eggplant, African eggplant. You also need some oil, and you can season with salt and pepper. So the first step is to heat about 100 milliliters of oil, and then season your chicken with salt and pepper. Then when the oil is hot, we are going to fry until brown. And when the chicken is brown, remove and set aside. Now the next step is to mix everything together. So I'm going to add the garlic, hot pepper, parsley and basil leaf with the green onions. I'm also going to add the onions. Now you can use any type of mixer. You can use a mortar and pestle. You can use a blender, a food processor, anything you have. But I'm going to use my hand mixer. Now I mixed all that together. And in the tomato paste, I'm going to add about 1 cup of water. Mix well, and then I'm going to add the onion mixture. Then heat the remaining oil, and then fry this until it's really cooked, because you want to make the tomato sauce. So mix this really well and cook for about 10 minutes. Then after 10 minutes, in 1 liter of water, mix the peanut butter. Mix it really well together. Then when your tomato stew sauce is really cooked, add in the peanut butter. Now add about 2 liters of water, because you really want the peanut to be really cooked. This can take about 30 minutes. So season with salt and black pepper, and if you like bouillon cube, you can also add some bouillon cube, and cook this while stirring occasionally, and don't cover the lid, and cook this for about 30 minutes and on medium high heat. Now after 30 minutes, add any vegetable you like. I'm going to add my hot peppers and my eggplant. And then I'm also going to add the chicken. Then this is going to cook 20 more minutes on low heat. I'm going to reduce the heat and let this cook until I can see some oil on top. Then when it's ready, you can serve it to your rice or fufu or tow or. Okay guys, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to rate my video or to share it with your friend, and see you in the next video. Bye.